Hello guys, this video is about top 10 vegetables for diabetes. By eating high fiber, low carbs, low calorie and low glycemic index vegetables and foods and daily exercise, you can reverse or manage the diabetes and sugar levels. Remember, diabetes is a lifestyle disease and you can cure it by making changes to your lifestyle. In this list, I have picked vegetables based on their nutrients and glycemic index value. Through glycemic index value, we know how it is going to affect our sugar levels in the blood. Smaller the number, the less impact it will have on your blood sugar levels. Generally, the leafy greens has low glycemic index value and high in fiber, and you can consume these as much as you like. Let's get started. Number 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a popular nutritious vegetable and it is available in most parts of the world. It is rich in folate, vitamin K, iron and fiber. Asparagus has long been used for healing. It has potent medicinal properties. It boosts the insulin production and sensitivity. The insulin hormone has a pivotal role to control blood sugar. So regular intake of asparagus keeps the blood sugar under control. The fiber in it lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels and also helps in weight loss. This makes it perfect vegetable for diabetes control and general health. Number 9. Green beans. Green beans are delicious and nutritious vegetable for people with diabetes. Green beans has low glycemic index value. It is also low in carbohydrates. This makes it great food for both preventing and managing diabetes. Green beans are rich in vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients and are a great source of vitamin A, C, K and iron, folic acid, fiber and chlorophyll. Green beans also contain phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which reduce the risk of diabetes and obesity. Antioxidants in green beans help to protect the cells against free radical damage. That is why green beans are included in the daily diet plan for diabetes patients. You can simply cook green beans or add it to salads or soups. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is a superfood for people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It is rich in fiber, folate, iron and calcium. It is low in calories and low in carbohydrates. So it has low glycemic index. This makes it recommended for diabetes and weight loss. So include it in your daily diet plan. Number 7. Onions. Onions have medicinal properties which lower sugar levels. Onions are low-calorie vegetable. Onions contain high amounts of fiber, iron, potassium, vitamin C and flavonoids. The most important flavonoid is quercetin, that is highly concentrated in onions. Quercetin is an anti-inflammatory substance. Therefore, it lowers blood sugar levels, triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Onions are also high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. It prevents the cell damage from free radicals. Therefore, it is good to take one or more onions with each meal. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are low in calories and carbohydrates and good source of potassium, manganese, vitamin C and K. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it may reduce the risk of other chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease and muscle degeneration. In a study, it was found that eating 200 grams of raw tomatoes daily reduces blood pressure and type 2 diabetes. It also reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is associated with type 2 diabetes. So raw tomatoes should be included in your daily meal as salads. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is also perfect vegetable for diabetes and weight loss. It is rich in vitamin K, C, B6, B1, manganese, fiber, potassium, folate and copper. It is also rich in antioxidants. It is low in calories and carbohydrates. And it has low glycemic index value. It also has many oxidants and anti-aging properties that make it a medicine for diabetes. In a study, diabetic rats were fed on red cabbage for 60 days. It lowered blood sugar and weight and restored renal function. All these properties make cabbage a perfect vegetable for diabetes. Number 4. Okra. Okra is traditionally been used as medicine for diabetes in some cultures. It is commonly known as lady's finger. It is a nutritious food with a lot of fiber in it. Okra contains a gel-like substance which hinders the absorption of fat and sugar from intestines. So it lowers cholesterol levels, which makes it a good choice for diabetes treatment. Okra is low in calories. It is rich in vitamins, minerals and other essential nutrients. The dietary fiber makes it control the blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It also reduces inflammation, which is common in diabetics. Okra is used as medicine for diabetes. In Africa, okra is dried and powdered and then consumed daily. In Turkey, okra seeds are roasted, powdered and consumed for diabetes. Some people drink the okra water for diabetes. Just soak the okra pieces in water overnight and then drink the water in the morning. If you are on diabetes drugs like metformin, it can hinder its absorption. Just keep this in mind. Number 3. Kale. Kale is a superfood for diabetics. It is low in calories and carbohydrates and high in fiber, vitamin C, K, A, B6 and beta-carotene. It is also a good source of calcium, potassium, iron and copper. Studies have shown that high fiber may lower blood glucose levels and improve lipid profile and insulin sensitivity. Most importantly, kale contains an antioxidant known as alpha-lipoic acid. The alpha-lipoic acid can help lower glucose levels, increase insulin sensitivity, and prevent oxidative stress in diabetes patients. Therefore, it is recommended to include kale in your daily diet plan. It can be added in salads, sandwiches, and soups. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a wonderful vegetable to include in your diabetic diet plan. It is very low in calories. It is extremely rich in many essential vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and antioxidants. It is a good source of fiber, folate, potassium, vitamin K and C. One of broccoli's most powerful phytochemical is sulforaphane. Sulfur in broccoli sprouts reduces blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes, which is comparable to diabetes drug metformin. This makes broccoli a perfect choice for people who are trying to lose weight and control type 2 diabetes. Therefore, it should be included in your daily diet plan. Number 1. Bitter melon or bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is also known as bitter melon. It is traditionally known for its medicinal properties. It is used for treating diabetes in Asia, South America, India, and East Africa. It has shown antibiotic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antivirus, and cholesterol-lowering effects. It activates the natural killer cells of the immune system to help fight off viruses. Scientific evidence shows that it is one of the most promising plants for diabetes today. Bitter melon contains compounds that work like insulin. One such compound is polypeptide P or P-insulin. So it is a plant-based insulin alternative for type 1 diabetes. The bitter melon can help cells utilize glucose and move it to your liver, muscles and fat. The bitter melon may also be able to help your body retain nutrients by blocking their conversion to glucose that ends up in your bloodstream. There are tons of scientific studies on bitter melon. However, FDA has not approved it as medicine. Bitter melon supplements are available around the world. So just include it in your daily diet plan. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thanks once again.